Yesterday, we learned how to use ida as the verb to be and make sentences like I am a teacher. And today, we're going to learn how to use the verb 있다 to form sentences like I am at home. Okay, so as mentioned in our previous lesson, we can't use ida to say where someone or something is, and we can only use ida to say what the subject is. To say where someone or something is, we have to use the verb 있다. So let's begin by looking at an example sentence. I am at home. 나는 집에 있다. I am at home. 나는 집에 있다. So in this sentence, 나 means I, and it's used with the particle 는. Then we have the word for home, 집. Now, to say where someone or something is located, we use the particle 에 with the location word. And 에 is similar in meaning to words like in, on, or at when we talk about the location. So, 집에 means at home. Finally, we have the verb 있다. And 있다 is a verb we use to say that something exists or something is present. So we can use it like the verb to be to say where someone or something is. Now, as with all verbs and adjectives, 있다 changes into different levels of formality. So let's take a look at how 있다 changes into 3 common levels of formality. 저는 집에 있습니다. 저는 집에 있습니다. 저는 집에 있어요. 저는 집에 있어요. 나는 집에 있어. 나는 집에 있어. So with formal and polite speech, we use the formal form of I, 저. And with the casual form 있어, we use the standard form of I, 나. Of these speech levels, the polite form is the one that we'll use the most. So it's important for you to be familiar with this sentence structure. And the key pattern you need to remember is blank에 있어요. And we can also ask the question, where are you? By adding 어디, which means where, in front of this structure. And say, 어디에 있어요? 어디에 있어요? Remember to raise the tone at the end because this is a question. Let's take a look at a few more example sentences. 저는 식당에 있어요. I am at a restaurant. 저는 식당에 있어요. 선생님은 교실에 있어요. The teacher is in the classroom. 선생님은 교실에 있어요. 민수는 어디에 있어요? Where is 민수? 민수는 어디에 있어요? 민수는 1층에 있어요. 민수 is on the first floor. 민수는 1층에 있어요. So as you can see, the sentence subject and the name of the place can change, but the structure of 에 있어요 is always the same. And we can also form questions by using 어디 in front of 에 있어요. Okay, so that's it for this lesson on talking about where someone or something is. And the key structure is blank 에 있어요. See you soon again. Bye-bye.